Welcome to the Franklin Templeton Retirement Tool Review Usage Experience. I've added links to the product in the description below so you can explore more details at your convenience. In this video, I'll go over the key features of the Franklin Templeton Retirement Tool, who it's designed for, and my insights based on my usage. This tool is geared towards individuals who are serious about building a comprehensive and diversified retirement strategy. Franklin Templeton, known for its deep expertise in asset management, offers a tool that goes beyond basic calculators by integrating advanced planning features and personalized investment guidance. One of the standout features is the ability to model different retirement scenarios. The tool allows users to input their unique financial data, including assets, income, anticipated expenses, and savings goals, to generate a clear picture of their retirement readiness. This makes it ideal for pre-retirees who want to fine-tune their plans and understand the long-term impact of their decisions. For investors interested in diversification, the Franklin Templeton tool offers detailed insights into asset allocation, making suggestions based on risk tolerance and retirement timeline. It's particularly useful for those who want to ensure their portfolio is balanced, protecting against market volatility while aiming for steady growth. Another notable feature is the robust educational content provided within the tool. Franklin Templeton includes a library of resources to help users understand the fundamentals of retirement planning, from Social Security strategies to tax-efficient withdrawals. This educational aspect makes it a great fit for individuals who prefer to be actively involved in their financial decisions. The user interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, which is crucial for anyone who may not be tech-savvy but still wants access to a sophisticated planning tool. In terms of who it's best suited for, the Franklin Templeton Retirement Tool is ideal for those who value professional-grade investment insights without sacrificing ease of use. It's also well-suited for individuals who want to be proactive about their financial future, offering a mix of automation and personal input to create a tailored retirement strategy. If you're looking for a tool that combines detailed financial modeling with expert guidance, this one's worth considering. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information and to see if the Franklin Templeton tool aligns with your retirement goals.